Hey guys, this is a real quick intro to my summer bass fishing video. There's really not a lot of talking. There's really not a lot of talking. I just didn't really care. I didn't explain a lot. I just fished. I turned on the GoPro and I just fished. I turned on the GoPro and I just fished. So it was pretty much just a real hot day. We were just throwing little finesse worms the entire time, catching fish and just having fun. So I hope you guys enjoy, and remember, stay on shore.
Funny.
Oh, don't do. Alright, so that's a good bass. What did you say? That's about a pound? Stop. We doubled up right off the bat. Sometimes Will can't be serious, but we're gonna let this guy back go, and yeah, it's a good fish. Nice fish. Stop. Alright. Oh yeah. There's a fish. Decent too. There he is. Don't know how I should land this fish. Should I try and flip him? Yep, screw it, I'm flipping him. Ugh. Look at that. Yo, it's the same fish. So this is the second bass. Looking pretty good. Let's see if I can angle this up. He looks solid bass. Look at that. Look inside. You can see there's like, it's like red. Looks like blood or something. And second bass, not really a healthy fish. I mean, he's a good fish, but he's not healthy. He's got these little leech marks on him. So I'm gonna let him go, and I'll get right back to you guys. Oh. I guess I just missed one. I had no idea he was even on. Thank God he came off and he didn't swallow it. Let's see if I can get him. He wasn't huge though. Oh my God. Alright, third bass for me. He's much tinier than the others. I thought he was a lot bigger than he was, but solid little fish, and we'll get back out fishing. Alright, Will's got one.
He's pretty good too.
Get a better angle for you guys.
I bet you.
Oh, look at.
I'm calling it at 1.5 right now.
Ooh.
Ooh.
He's got some fight to him. Ooh. Yeah, maybe bigger.
Oh, it looks like he's probably a...
He's actually put. Ooh.
He's good.
Yeah, he's nice.
Thanks.
I saw his mouth. His mouth was pretty big.
Oh yeah. He's got a busted lip too. Oh yeah. That's a good one.
Look at that. Look at his stomach here. Flip him around so I can see his stomach. He's chunky fish. Oh, and he's devoured that.
Yeah, let's get the pliers on him and get the scale out.
Alright, we'll
So they like to sink sometimes. Nope. 262.
Scales right on. Alright. We'll let this guy go, and
Well,
hopefully.
he's a good one.
Yeah.
Chunky 262.
Yeah, he's ready. Alright. That guy made a big splash. This guy's not as big as the other two, but still nice fish. I'd say 3/4, pushing a pound maybe. He made a real big splash though. But solid fish. We're gonna plop him right back in. Get back to you guys in a minute. Ooh. I hope I got that. I was like this close to just falling in. It happens. It happens. Now it's probably getting way too dark for y'all to see.